Introducing the 2014 Nissan Rogue. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Nissan's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 156-point inspection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.